We all crave a life filled with purpose. It's a universal desire, a deep-seated yearning that drives us forward, even when the path is unclear. We seek out experiences that make us feel alive, that give us a sense of direction and fulfillment. This quest for purpose is what makes us human, what connects us to one another in our shared journey. We search for meaning in our struggles and triumphs. Every challenge we face, every obstacle we overcome, adds a new layer to our story. These moments of hardship and victory shape us, mold us into who we are meant to be. They teach us resilience, strength, and the power of perseverance. In these moments we find our true selves, our true purpose. What if I told you that you are chosen? That out of all the people in the world you have been selected for a unique and extraordinary journey. This isn't a random occurrence but a deliberate choice. You have been chosen because you possess something special, something that the world needs. Your experiences, your strengths, your unique perspective, all of these make you the perfect candidate for this journey. That the challenges you faced were not in vain but rather preparation for something extraordinary. Every hardship, every setback has been a stepping stone, a lesson in disguise. These experiences have equipped you with the tools and wisdom needed to navigate the path ahead. They have prepared you for the extraordinary journey that lies before you. The truth is, you are on the cusp of a magnificent plot twist. Your story is about to take an unexpected turn, one that will lead you to places you never imagined. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the moment when everything changes. The horizon is glowing with possibilities, and all you have to do is take that first step. Are you ready to embrace it? Are you ready to step into the unknown, to face the challenges and opportunities that await? This is your moment, your chance to shine. Take a deep breath, gather your courage, and step forward. The door is open, and the world is waiting for you. The journey won't be easy. Life rarely is. There will be moments of doubt, moments when you feel like giving up. But remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Every struggle, every setback is a part of the journey. Embrace these moments, for they are the ones that will define you, that will make your story worth telling. But within you lies a wellspring of strength, forged in the fires of adversity. This strength is your greatest asset, your most powerful tool. It is what will carry you through the toughest times, what will help you rise from the ashes, stronger and more resilient than ever before. Trust in this strength, and let it guide you on your journey. You have been chosen, not because you are perfect, but because you are willing to show up, to embrace vulnerability, and to rise again, stronger and wiser. Perfection is not the goal, growth is. It's about being brave enough to face your fears, to take risks, and to learn from your mistakes. This is what makes you extraordinary, what makes you the perfect candidate for this journey. So stand tall, embrace your journey, and let your courage lead the way. Have you ever felt a nudge, a whisper in your soul urging you towards something more? It's a subtle feeling, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Yet, it persists. A gentle reminder that there is more to your existence than the mundane routines. This is the language of the universe, a cosmic conversation that transcends words. It speaks through the rustling leaves, the twinkling stars, and the warmth of the sun on your face. Each moment is a message, a clue, guiding you towards your destiny, guiding you towards your destiny. The compass in your hand is not just a tool, but a symbol of your inner guidance. It points you towards the setting sun, illuminating the path that lies ahead, a path uniquely yours. You might feel a restlessness, a knowing that your current path no longer aligns with your soul's purpose. This restlessness is a sign, a signal that it's time to reevaluate your journey. Standing at the crossroads, you are faced with choices that will shape your future. This feeling is not something to fear but to embrace. It is an invitation to pause, to breathe deeply, and to connect with the light within you. From the darkness of uncertainty, a glowing light emerges, guiding you forward. It is a call to adventure, an invitation to step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. Like an adventurer climbing a mountain, each step you take brings you closer to the summit. And like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you have the power to transform and renew yourself. The universe whispers, but it is up to you to listen and to act. The door before you is waiting to be opened, and the glowing pathway is ready to be walked. Trust in the journey, for it is uniquely yours, filled with endless possibilities and boundless potential. Embrace the whispers of destiny, for they are the echoes of your true self calling you home. Stand tall, with arms wide open, ready to receive the golden light of a new dawn. Your journey is just beginning, and the universe is your guide. Take a moment to reflect, to capture your thoughts and dreams. Write them down, for they are the seeds of your future. Each word, each thought is a step towards manifesting your destiny. Find stillness within, for it is in the quiet moments that the whispers become clear. Meditate by a tranquil lake and let the ripples of your thoughts spread out, connecting you to the greater whole. With a sense of peace and confidence, walk into the horizon. The journey ahead is yours to create, filled with the whispers of destiny guiding you every step of the way. Look back on your life, on the moments that tested your spirit, the heartbreaks, the setbacks, the times you stumbled and fell. These were not punishments, but rather the universe's way of molding you, of preparing you for the incredible journey ahead. Your scars are not badges of defeat, but testaments to your resilience. They tell a story of courage, of battles fought and lessons learned. Each challenge you overcame chipped away at your fears and insecurities, revealing the radiant, powerful being you were always meant to be. The universe communicates in subtle ways, through synchronicities, opportunities, and even challenges. Pay attention to the signs. Are you encountering repeated patterns, meeting new people who seem placed in your path for a reason? Do you feel a growing sense of discomfort in your current situation? This is not a sign to retreat, but to lean in. These are the universe's guideposts, nudging you towards your true calling. The more you trust these signs, the clearer your path will become. Section 5. Plot twists. The universe's way of saying level up. Life is rarely linear. Just when you think you have it all figured out, a plot twist emerges, shaking you to your core. These twists can be exhilarating or terrifying, but they always serve a purpose: growth. Embrace the uncertainty. See challenges as opportunities for expansion, for stepping outside your comfort zone and discovering hidden depths within yourself. Remember, you are not defined by the challenges you face, but by how you rise to meet them. Section 6. Embracing the unknown, strategies for navigating change. Change can be unsettling, but it is in the unknown that we truly discover ourselves. The first step is to cultivate an open mind. Release any preconceived notions of how your life should look and be receptive to new possibilities. Next, take action. Even small steps in the direction of your dreams can create a ripple effect, leading to unexpected and beautiful outcomes. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to fail forward. Section 7. Trust the journey. Trust yourself. The most crucial element in navigating your plot twist is trust. Trust in the journey, even when you can't see the destination. Trust in your intuition, that inner voice that guides you towards your highest good. You are capable of more than you can possibly imagine. Believe in your ability to overcome obstacles, to learn from your mistakes, and to emerge from this transformation stronger than ever before. Section 8. The universe doesn't call the unqualified. If you're feeling doubtful, remember this. The universe doesn't call the qualified, it qualifies the called. You have been chosen for this moment. The very fact that you are here, hearing these words, is a testament to your strength, your resilience, and your readiness for transformation. The challenges you've faced have equipped you with the wisdom, the empathy, and the unwavering spirit needed to navigate this next chapter. You are not alone on this journey. The universe has your back. Section 9. Your plot twist awaits. Step into your power. The time has come to shed the layers of doubt and fear that have held you back. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a cliff, the sun rising before you, casting its golden light over the landscape. This is your moment of awakening, a time to let go of the shadows that have clouded your vision and to embrace the dawn of a new day. The journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities, and it all begins with a single step forward. Embrace the magnificent, messy, and utterly extraordinary adventure that awaits you. Life is not meant to be lived in the shadows of fear and uncertainty. It is a grand tapestry of experiences, woven together with threads of joy, love, and resilience. Picture yourself surrounded by friends, hiking through lush forests, laughing and sharing stories. Feel the freedom of dancing in an open field, the wind in your hair, and the sun on your face. Imagine the warmth of a family gathering at the beach, the sound of waves crashing, and the feeling of sand between your toes. These moments are the essence of life, the memories that shape who we are and who we are meant to become. Step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. The climb may be steep and the path may be challenging, but each step you take brings you closer to the summit. Visualize yourself scaling a mountain, each handhold and foothold a testament to your strength and determination. As you reach the peak, Stand tall with your arms wide open, embracing the vast expanse of possibilities that lie before you. This is your moment of triumph, a celebration of your journey and the person you have become. Your plot twist is not something to be feared, but celebrated. Just like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you have the power to transform and renew yourself. Embrace the unexpected turns in your story, for they are the catalysts for growth and change. Picture a burst of confetti, a symbol of joy and celebration, or fireworks lighting up the night sky, a testament to the beauty and wonder of the unknown. These moments of transformation are the plot twists that make your story unique and extraordinary. It is an invitation to embrace your power, to step into your purpose, and to create a life that is a true reflection of your soul's deepest desires. Imagine walking down a glowing pathway through a forest, each step illuminating the way forward. Picture yourself opening a large door, with a brilliant light shining behind it, welcoming you into a new chapter of your life. Feel the exhilaration of running through a field of flowers, the vibrant colors and sweet scents filling your senses. These are the moments when you are fully aligned with your purpose, when you are living a life that is true to who you are. The world needs your light. Shine bright, chosen one. Your time is now. Picture yourself holding a glowing lantern, a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. Stand in a sunbeam, feeling the warmth and energy of the light that surrounds you. Join hands with others, looking up at the sky, united in a shared vision of a brighter future. Your light has the power to illuminate the path for others, to inspire and uplift those around you. Embrace your power, step into your purpose, and let your light shine brightly for all to see.